Hi everybody, it's Claire from Handmade at Hudson's and thank you very much for pressing play on the video today. This is the project we're looking at today. So this is a really cute simple tag which you can attach to your Christmas presents. So this uses gold, shaded spruce and the Perfectly Plaid Stamp Set, and then the two in the front are from A Wish for Everything, but you can use any two of the front that you may have in your stash. Now I have used retired items on this tag because if I'm making multiples, punches make life so much easier. So I have got a 2 1/4 inch circle punch, my 2-inch circle punch, and my 1.5 inch circle punch. Now Stampin' Up don't sell these anymore, but you can buy them in other places. So I have got a piece of gold, which is the 2 1/4, and then I've also got another piece of white to go on the back. That's because I find that Miri is difficult to write on. I've got a 2-inch Poppy Parade piece, and I have got a 1.5 inch white. So let's take this out of the way. So you could do that or this with dies. So for the layering circle dies, I have got the second one up, the fourth one up, and the fifth one up. And I would run them through the machine like this so that you would do multiples together. And then you would also, then after you've done all those, do the gold. So for the gold, I would cut it out of this part here, and then this bit here is 10 by 14, so then I can use that as a card layer. And to stop the Miri from being affected, I would add an extra layer, and that also protects Whisper White or white if you're running through in the machine and you haven't got new plates. So my plates are looking particularly crazy, but I will be changing them soon. So let's move these out of the way. So these are using punches, and we're going to start with our largest circle. So I've got the 2 and the from the A Wish for Everything. I'm just going to bring in my scrap paper. I'm going to take my Poppy Parade ink, and I'm just going to check that that is lined up. That will do. So I'm just going to take the largest white and stamp 2 and from on the back there. And I might need to redo that because I've put too much ink on and ended up with a halo. So I just want to clean this off. Okay, let's try again. That's better, no halo. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick this onto here. So I've got my multi-purpose glue, and I just want to add some circles. So that is the first bit done. Okay. So now we're going to move on to the ho ho ho. So I have got my ho 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 from Perfectly Plaid, and I'm just simply going to add ink to the first ho, and I'm going to put that over here, and then I'm just going to add ink to the first ho again, put that over here. So I'm just moving them. Let's go for the third, and there I have my ho ho ho, and I can now put away my Poppy Parade. So I'm going to bring in my shaded spruce stamp set. So I've got the 2 little pine cones on here, and I'm just going to take the base pine cone, and I'm going to stamp those off a few times, and then I'm just going to add pine cone up here. So I'm going for 3rd generation stamping. So pine cone over here. Then pine cone there. And then to add the gold, I have got some Delicata ink, which was sold by Stampin' Up a while ago. You can get it on Amazon, I think, or you could use any gold pigment ink that you have, or you could heat emboss. So I'm just adding some gold onto my little pine cones, and then to make it a bit more festive, I'm going to add some gold pine cones all the way around my circle. So I'm moving my paper, not my stamp. And then my ho 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 will sit on there, and if you can look, you can see that it's just sparkly. So let's move these out of the way before I get covered in ink. So I'm just going to add this ho 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 to my there. And then what I want to do is to add this ho 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 onto the front. So you just want to make sure that this is straight, so that will do. Then add some Tombow onto your Poppy Parade. And then just check that they line up, which is fine. And then what you would do is take a hole punch. So I've just got a little one that's retired, and punch at the top there. And then I have got some twine. So this is from last year's Christmas catalogue, but there is some gold and silver twine in the catalogue. So I'll link that in below if you want to use that. So I'm just going to take a pair of scissors, cut that off, and then I'm just going to cut that down. So you have it. A really simple tag, which is really quite cute, that you can do in multiple colours, and that uses the last stamps from the Perfectly Plaid set that I haven't used yet. So we've now got projects using every single stamp from this set. So thank you very much for pressing play on the video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. My email is claire@handmadeathudsons.co.uk. You can find pictures and different colours of tags on my website, which is Handmade at Hudson's. It's linked in below. All the sizes will be linked in below, along with anything that I've used on this project or similar items if it's no longer sold. So thank you very much for pressing play, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.